Web APIs are all over the place and almost every web app exposes one. However, there are quite a few web APIs in use today, namely REST API, GraphQL, and gRPC. And it's not easy to choose the best one for your project. And in this course, we are going to do just that. In this course, we are going to first go through the basic concepts of each web API. For example, the request format in REST API and also the URL structure, the basic operations and cross-platform support of GraphQL, and the underlying protocol and communication styles of gRPC, and of course, much more. And after learning about the various APIs, we will see how to select the best one for you, based on looking at the pros and cons of each one, and learning the flowchart that guides you through the decision process. So, by the end of this course, you will know the main concepts and best practices of REST API, GraphQL, and gRPC. You will know the pros and cons of each one. You will know the decision tree to help you decide between them. And most importantly, you will be a much better developer and architect. This course is part of the acclaimed software architecture series of courses. This series attracted hundreds of thousands of students from more than 180 countries and gained amazing reviews. So, enroll now to this course and become an even better software developer and architect.